I just take a deep breath, settling within. I know that the divine presence is right here, and that magnificent source of all prosperity, the divine, the greatness, the source of wealth and clients and connection, it is God made manifest. I know that I am one with God. And as I know that I'm one with God, I know that you are connected to the source of all, God within. And as I know this to be the truth, I know that your view is expanding, that clients are magnetic to you and your business is thriving. And I see that as you continue to open your heart, that success and getting financially fit, that these muscles just strengthen and your business doubles. I see that just as it continues to open, that you claim your abundance, and I claim it right here and right now for you, seeing the highest and the best, that through your why, your expression of God, that expected and unexpected income, that it comes to you with ease, with grace, and with a lightness, a joy, because it is you expressing God within. So I see you go within, and it is with this deep gratitude that I know you got this. God in you has got this. Your business is thriving, and it is with that I release this into the law, knowing that with God, all things are possible. And I release this, and so it is.